It's not a give way sign to you there.
It's a give way line. It's a give way line. Give
Not
way.
there.
There's no give way line there.
There's no. That is the side of the road. Okay, you need to look.
You need to look. That's a give
I
way
did
line.
look, that's why I stopped. But you
Right.
need to stop. You
weren't
don't
looking
own
what
the
you
road.
were doing. Blindly, I watched that. That's totally you, mate. Even with your little camera on your head.
Cyclist in both directions. You look.
That doesn't absolve you from your
No,
right to
that's
observe
totally you, mate.
and slow down and stop to make sure there are no cars coming.
What do give way means?
It's not a give way sign to you there.
It's a give way for you. You give way to
You're
me.
not on the road.
I am on the
No,
road.
you're not. There's a double yellow line there.
That's not
That
a
means
road,
nothing.
mate.
Come
It's
on.
totally you, mate.
Come on, you're totally indefensible. Just take some care.
You take
I
care.
did, that's why I stopped. But you didn't stop. You're the one that's being irresponsible.
I did
Come
stop.
on, get a move on.
This should have been the end of things. He was indicating left to turn into the side road, and I was carrying on straight ahead. I would have got home, looked at the footage, and then maybe decided to edit a video and upload it to YouTube, or just forget about it. However, he didn't turn left, and he decided to follow me. He'd already shown some signs of aggression. He'd sounded his horn in anger, and was shouting and waving his arms around, and I became a little concerned when he started following me. I therefore decided to take a strong primary position in order to stop him from overtaking me, because I felt that he might try and close past me and force me into the curb.
KW19 YMV. Where can I go? There's a car in front of me.
My original intention was to turn right at this junction, but I was concerned that he might continue following me, so I turned left where I knew there were several opportunities to back double and lose him.
You
Right.
need to stop.
weren't
You
looking
don't
what
own
you
the
were
road.
doing. Blindly, I watched that. That's totally you, mate. Even with your little camera on your head.
So you watched that, did you? Well, let's have a look. This is where everything started, and as you can see in the frame on the right, the blue van is nowhere in view. There's no way that the driver could have seen what had happened, or to apportion me with any blame. The following day, I reported the driver online to the Metropolitan Police, and a week later I received an email advising me that the registered keeper had been sent a notice of intended prosecution. 4 months later, I received a further email to inform me that the driver had been summoned to court and that I may be required to attend as a witness. 6 months later, I sent an email to inquire upon the result of the court case. I was informed that there had been a fine of £418 and 3 points issued. I had reported the incident as careless and or inconsiderate driving, which is what I imagine the driver would have been charged with.